Pecan Sandies are one of my favorite cookies. And I don't know if there's a cookie I don't like. Cut a piece of parchment paper, fit it inside your air fryer. In a medium bowl, sift together 1 cup of all-purpose flour, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/3 cup powdered sugar. To this, we're going to add 1 cube of unsalted butter at room temperature, about a 1/2 cup of crushed pecans. I kind of like them a little bit fine, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. That's it. Put your hands in there and combine those ingredients to form a dough. Your dough is going to be kind of crumbly, and I'm going to show you. Here. See how it crumbles? Don't worry about it. It's going to work. About a tablespoon of dough. You're going to try to make these as uniform shape as you can, because we want them to all cook at the same time. And then, with your fingers, make it into a little ball, like these. Put them on a plate. Okay. I'm going to make all the balls. I'll be back with you in a couple minutes. When you get your first tablespoon of dough in your hand, you're going to say, this is not going to work. Take your fingers and squish it. It works. I got 26 little balls. None of the ingredients in these cookies has any sodium per serving. Could be that if you ate all the cookies at one time, you might get a little bit of sodium, but not much. I don't have any way to measure that. All I know is per serving of all the ingredients, no sodium. I'm going to put what will fit in my air fryer in there on top of the parchment paper. Set my air fryer at 350 degrees. Cook these little guys till they get golden brown. Please subscribe to my channel. Every Friday there's going to be a new low sodium recipe for you. Sometimes there'll also be a tip to help you keep the sodium low. Click on the little bell and you'll be notified every Friday when a new video is posted. It took 10 minutes in my air fryer for the cookies to become a little bit golden brown on the top. They're very fragile. You have to be real careful. Use your tongs and pick them up gently and put them on a wire rack to cool slightly. We don't want them hot, but we also don't want them room temperature. Sift about a 1/2 cup of powdered sugar into a bowl. Roll those little cookies in them. And you've got one dandy dessert. I usually break a few when I take them out of there, but this time I was real careful and only broke one. What a pity. Had to eat it.